Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Hovelman, and today we're going to practice measuring with some centimeter cubes. It says use centimeter cubes to measure the length of Charlie's path. Record the lengths. So I can see Charlie's path here, and I need to fill in this sentence. Charlie's path is blank centimeters long. And I have these orange centimeter cubes that I'm going to use. And these are exactly 1 centimeter. So I'm going to come and start at the very end of the line and measure Charlie's path. And I'm going to make sure that my centimeter cubes are touching each other. I can't leave gaps like that, or I'm not going to get a good measurement. So I need to make sure that my centimeters touch just like this, and I can see what his path will be. Okay, so I have this section done. I'm going to go ahead and count these and write the number. That way, if I accidentally move my paper, I'm not worried about having to go put my cubes back. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters right here. And I can't just put 8. I need to follow it up with my unit of measure, which is centimeters. And we talked about the abbreviation for that being cm. So now I'm going to do the same thing down this part of his path. I'm going to start at the very beginning. I can't start here and then pick up. I need to make sure that I'm very careful, and I start at the corner. And I put the cubes as neatly as possible so that I can get a good measurement on his path. So I accidentally moved these. I'm going to put my finger at the end to keep these there. I want you guys to be able to see the line. So I'm going to count these cubes and figure out the distance for this part of his path. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 centimeters for that section. So 10 cm. And now I need to measure this last piece of his path. So I'm going to put the end of my centimeter cube just like that. And just based on how much I've done so far, I can estimate. I can say that I think this piece of his path might be 5 centimeters. There's 3, 4, and I think I'm correct on my estimate. It's about 5 centimeters right there. Now I'm going to add 8 plus 10 plus 5 to figure out my answer. So I'm going to write my equation. So I know 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 5. I know 18 plus 2 more gets me to 20, plus 3 more gets me to 23. So Charlie's path is 23 centimeters long. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you next time.